everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do some unboxing as well, but this one something I purchased online. The last time we did unboxing, I went to Harrods, then I bought something in store, then we did unboxing. Today we are going to do something I purchased online. But before we go to the unboxing, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and share this and thumbs up, like this video and any video on my channel, guys. So like I said in the beginning, last video, I'm very new to YouTube. I'm still trying to figure out how the YouTube works, how the lighting work, how to edit videos, and how to add music, how to adjust volume and everything. So you guys have to, if there's any mistakes, apologize in advance. I'm still learning. So, but I can guarantee in the future, everything is going to be alright. But here is the beginning. So, like I said, please make sure to subscribe, and then we can move on with unboxing with our new items. I'm not really sure if anyone knows, so recently Fendi and Versace had a collaboration. So this is one of the most awaited collaboration. Like, as you guys know, Fendi and Versace, one of the trendiest and one of the most luxurious Italian brands. So they had a collaboration. So this is something, cool. This is sick. So everyone was waiting for their items. So Fendi, they had their own collaboration items. So, and Versace had their own collection. So it's not like they both had the same collection. There were some mutual items, but two separate kind of a style like collection. So I ordered something online when they released their new collection. So I got the order yesterday. So this one, so you can say, so this one I ordered from Fendi website. So this is literally the Fendi collection. So it's called, I'm not really sure how to actually say it. It's either Fendace or Fendace. So like Versace, so Fendi plus Versace, Fendace or Fendace. I'm not really sure, but that's how it's, there you go. So this is the Fendi collection. It's actually like, you can see the box. It's really nice, very elegant, very luxurious, like as usual. So it says Fendace or Fendace, whatever it is, a Rome Milano. So the this border is the Fendi logo. So the one over here, that is the Versace logo, is the Versace Medusa, and this is the Fendi, the double F. So there we go. So I'm gonna open it. I bought a bed actually. I saw this. I did a mistake, like I said. I'm very scared to buy things online, like clothing wise, shoes wise, from these Italian websites, because their sizing is very, I don't know, it's very weird. Like, they have a sizing charts, like sizing conversion charts, but still they come kind of either too big, too small, something like that. So Yeah, I have issue with this one as well. And their like a refund process is easy to return, like it's free return, but it's not like you return something into like a UK website, UK store. It has to go back to Italy, so they gives you free DHL. Yeah, free DHL, yes. So I'll explain the return process like later once we done the unboxing. So, so as usual, I'm not really sure. Maybe I bought it like Versace. Maybe I bought it from Versace website. I'm not really sure. Okay, let me. I, yes, I'm sorry. This is not the Fendi collection. My bad. This is I bought it from Versace. So this is the Fendi Versace collaboration, but the Versace based collection. So, so you can see this is a Versace receipt. So it has all the return receipts and stuff, and the return label and everything is all over here. So once you open, you get a nice one of these bags. Like I have loads of these kind of bags. Like like Gucci gives so many, like many bags. So this is actually nice though compared to Gucci ones. So I should have a Gucci one over here. So this is like Gucci one. This is like very basic ones, but this one it is, you can see the difference. You can use it outside actually, So actually open it. So this is the belt. Like you can see inside, like it has their Fendace thingy and the belt there, that number. It's actually very nice. You can see this is like, only thing is it is big. You can see the width. It is big. It can cover like almost over half of my face. So shit. I think I put lipstick over it. Oops. I'll see if I can remove it later. Maybe I put some makeup on it. So hopefully I can remove it later with some makeup remover. I don't want to damage it. So, and it's actually very nice. I'll show you. So, as you can see, so it's actually very nice look. It's very elegant. You can say that. So you can wear it with like a dress like this, like a dress, like a shirt and trousers like this, kind of that. So the mistake I did, I don't know whether it was my mistake, their sizing issues. This is more. If you can see, like I put the belt to the last punch hole, I can't go there because I completely forgot my skinny waist left me 2 years ago. So this is literally, I'm like struggling with it. So this is the reason I was thinking maybe I'm gonna return it, but I was like, it's gonna take a good few weeks to get the money back. So I'd rather be positive and trying to wear it, thinking at one point my skinny waist, gonna come back to me and have a small waist. So I'm gonna be positive over there. So I'm gonna stop right there. I'm gonna be positive. Let's manifest that we get a small waist soon, so I can wear this like without having to be worried. Um, you know, I love it. So the border over here is the Fendi design. On this corners is the Versace the design. So I love it. Except that. So that's what, like I say, that is the problem when I order these things like Italian brands, the sizing issues. But I am going to use it. I'm going to keep it. I already removed the tag. That means I have to keep it, and I am going to keep it. So let's be positive. So ta-da! So like I said earlier, I'm going to explain you how the return process works. So in these ones, they usually send, it's quite easy, but it takes time. Longer than that you're returning something in local. So they have, so first you have this return form you have to fill in which items you are returning and what is the reason. And the other one is the value list. So they have this like a invoice, like with all the export, import records and their company details, like VAT codes and everything, because these are coming from a different country to UK. So they have this value list. So this is the value list. So they send 2 copies. So once they send the 2 copies, so 1 copy. So when you pack everything back to send it back, so you have this label to put it on. It's a free one. Then so you have to put the return list inside. And the value list, so there are 2 copies. The 1 copy has to go like not inside, on top of like a, you need to put a plastic pocket and put this one in the pocket. It can't go inside. It has to be on top of the box in a plastic like a pocket. And the second one, you have to hand over the courier, which is DHL. So that's how the process is. So usually you have to go to DHL website, or you can call them and you can book a collection. You don't even have to go there. So you just have to book it online or by call, and they will come and pick it up from your house. So last time when I did the return, when I booked it online on the morning, they came in the like, so I booked it around 12 o'clock afternoon, like a midday. So I booked the slot for 6:30 in the evening. So it was pretty easy. So the same day they came and collected it, I think. But the process of going back to Italy and custom clearance and everything, so it takes roughly, I think, to come money back to my account, I'm pretty sure it was around 3 weeks. So usually in UK you get like it within 5 days. So this was like 3 weeks. Yeah, it was 3 weeks. So that's it. So I decided to keep the bag, and I'm gonna positive. I'm gonna be positive, like I said, thinking this will go down. Okay. So I'm keeping it because I love it. It's really nice though. My lighting is kind of on my video. Okay. So we are done for the day. So please make sure to go back to my first video and make sure to like the video and share that, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video too. So I'm gonna come back again with either unboxing or giveaway or something like that. Please remember, at when we get 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway of $100. So when we hit that 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway of $100. So one lucky person who has subscribed within that 1,000 subscribers will receive $100. It does not matter which country you are from, and you will get $100. So make sure to subscribe, guys. If you have any friends, family, make sure to share this with them as well. So I'm gonna say goodbye to everyone, and thank you for watching today. So please do not forget to invest and manifest. So thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you guys again with my next video.